Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll show you how to fix Safari not working on an iPhone. Recently, some iPhone users have encountered issues while using Safari, the default web browser that comes pre-installed on iPhone. When trying to open Safari, it fails to launch properly and the interface remains invisible on a white screen. As Safari won't open anything, users cannot search anything, tap to visit links directly, or open up the menu. Sometimes, Safari is not working on iPhone because it's running extremely slow and unable to load the page. If you meet the same trouble, keep watching to find out the causes and how to get Safari to open and work again. Why has Safari stopped working on your iPhone? There are a few possible explanations to this problem. Safari browser or the device is glitching. Your iPhone has no internet connection or is experiencing network issues. There may be screen time restrictions set on Safari. An excessive amount of old cookies or cache may have been accumulated on this web browser. Certain settings related to Safari could be misconfigured. The operating system is outdated or there could be conflicts among various settings. Now check the step-by-step guide of how to fix Safari not opening on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models including the latest iPhone 17 series. Work your way down until your Safari works again after opening. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Force close Safari. Most of the time, Safari on an iPhone not working can be attributed to a minor glitch. Closing the app and reopening it can often solve the problem. Open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom to the middle and holding or double pressing the home key. Swipe left or right to find Safari. Swipe up Safari's preview card to quit the app. Wait for 1 minute then reopen it. Now, Safari should be working fine. Double-check the device's internet. This might seem too obvious, but a poor or intermittent internet connection can stop Safari working or opening as normal. To resolve it, open Control Center and enable either the blue Wi-Fi icon or the green cellular data icon. If you use Wi-Fi, confirm the router works and has strong wireless signals. If you use cellular data, first verify if your mobile account is still active with enough data balance left and no unpaid bills. Then, turn on mobile data for Safari app. Open Settings, tap Cellular, scroll down and tap Show All, find and select Safari, and make sure WLAN and cellular data is ticked. Besides, you can try a different internet connection by alternating between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if Safari works on your iPhone. Remove screen time limits on Safari. If you frequently use the screen time feature, you might unintentionally restrict access to Safari. That way, the iPhone won't open Safari, let alone open websites or load pages. A go-to fix here is to delete the limit, and here's how to do that. Navigate to Settings. Scroll down to find and tap Screen Time. Tap App Limits. If Safari doesn't appear, it means there are no screen time limits on this web browser. If Safari is in the limited list, tap it, tap the Delete Limit button and confirm to remove it. Once done, go back to the home screen and tap to open Safari to see if it starts working and loading websites properly now. Clear cache in Safari. Bad cache or old website history could confuse a web browser and prevent Safari from working normally. The good news is that your iPhone does have a setting used to remove Safari browsing cache and unused data in case it's corrupted. Here's what to do. Go to Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Locate Safari and tap it. Scroll down until you find the Clear History and Website Data option. Tap it, tick All History and hit the red Clear History button to confirm. After that, you should get Safari opening and working correctly on iPhone as normally. Power cycle your iPhone. Temporary bugs or process issues within the operating system could hinder Safari's performance, making it slow or not open to work. Luckily, they could go away after doing a reboot on your iPhone. On an iPhone 10 or newer, press volume up and side keys and hold them. On an iPhone 8 or older, press the side key and hold it. A red slide to power off alert will pop up. Release the buttons you're holding and drag the slider to switch off the device. To boot up the device, press the side key and hold it. An Apple logo will come up. Just let go of the key. After your iPhone starts up, the reboot should get Safari working again. Here's a note. If Safari cannot open on iPhone and stops working after launching one specific app, then it can be the cause and you'd better remove it. Configure the Safari settings. When Safari doesn't work on iPhone, some users on forums suggest that modifying certain Safari settings may resolve the problem. Here are a few adjustments to try. Tap Settings to open it. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Locate Safari and tap it. First, locate the Safari suggestion option and toggle it off. Second, locate the search engine suggestions option and switch it off. Third, locate the block pop-ups and enable it. Fourth, scroll down all the way down to tap Advanced and turn on JavaScript. Once done, reopen Safari and see if it runs fine to open and load the web pages. Consider other web browsers. If Safari is still not opening on iPhone, try using another web browser first. At the same time, contact Apple support to see if they have any further guidance on resolving the Safari issues. Update iOS to the most recent version. Maybe the Safari browser not working on iPhone is a known OS bug. In this case, a fix to it can be covered by the new iOS firmware. So, it's worth upgrading your iPhone's operating system to fix issues with Safari. To do that, head to Settings. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. If a new version of iOS is released, it'll show up there with detailed information. Just tap Download and install. To guarantee a hassle-free iOS update process, plug your iPhone into a charger and connect it to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once completed, test if Safari works fine and seems to be loading and navigating on websites. Return network settings to factory defaults. If you suspect that Safari isn't working on iPhone due to unknown network issues, try this. Go to Settings, tap General, scroll all the way and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, from the bottom of the screen, tap Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm. The reset will complete within seconds. After that, all the customized network-related configurations like connected Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth, VPN, and so on will reset to their original state. Try opening Safari to see if it's working again. Delete everything and factory reset the whole device. This should be your last resort, so consider all other options carefully before proceeding. Here's how to fix Safari when it won't open on iPhone by doing a factory reset. Be sure your iPhone is backed up to iCloud or a computer to avoid losing important data. Then, in the Settings app, tap Settings, choose General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase all content and settings. Finish the instructions it prompts. The reset process will begin, completing in just a few minutes. Remember to test out the Safari app after setting up the iPhone without restoring from backups. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix Safari not working on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. You should manage to open Safari to load pages again. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.